Hey, I'm Mike and this is my BMW M Sport that I won on Copart for £475. But with delivery fees it came to £907. But when the guy was delivering it, we had a right nightmare trying to get it off the trailer because the front spring had snapped and ripped the tyre apart, which is why it was a write-off. And it was just so hard to get off the trailer. We're just two of us. So we struggled for ages trying to get it onto the drive because he told me the engine didn't run. And then he left me hanging off the drive because he had to go. And then I put the key in, it actually started up and I reversed it onto the drive. So all the windows were stuck down because the main switch in the driver's door wasn't working. So I had to get a new one off eBay for £40. But until that came, I had to cover the windows up with bin bags. So I did eventually get the windows to go up by opening and closing the roof. I got the front end jacked up, started replacing the shock and the spring which was snapped and the track rod end which was completely bent. And that was a nightmare to do because I'd never done it before. Then once that was done, I started cleaning all the rubber off the arch and I got a heat gun and bent the bumper back. The fault code was showing for the EGR valve, so I bought a new one of them, replaced that, and I replaced the air filter and one of the breather pipes on the EGR valve, which just completely fell to pieces. New air filter on, new EGR valve, and just have to put a new breather pipe on. I'll have to tape the old one up because it's broke until I get the new one, and plug it all back up and see how it goes. So I had to replace the tyre what was ripped, and then the other three were completely bald, so I got 4 new tyres, and then the wheels, the paint was just falling off, so I took all the wheels off and took them to Diamante Alloys in Wigan, and they balanced them all because they were all buckled, and it cost me £400, and I've got 4 brand new wheels, and they're probably worth more than the car. So this was my wheels when I got them back from Diamante Alloys. I got some new centre caps. And then the battery went dead, so I didn't get to drive it for a while. And now, when I tried to start it, it makes this noise, what you'll see now. leave a comment if you know why it's making this noise. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you want to see more videos on the BMW. I have also got a Corsa SRI that I got off Copart that I'm in the middle of doing, and I've also got a Burn Find Austin 7 1936 that's in my back garden at the moment, so I am going to be doing some videos on that soon.